Okay everyone, so today I came with another video tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you how to switch your secondary joystick to be your primary joystick. Sometimes if you play games like me, sometimes your controller become unresponsive or the button doesn't work. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch that, the secondary to be the primary joystick. Okay, so right now make sure your joystick is connected to your laptop, of course, or PC, whatever. Make sure it's connected, don't forget that. Now you're gonna go to my computer, right click on it, and then click on properties and go to device manager. It's pretty simple actually how to fix it. Yeah, and then go to human interface device, and you see these two options right here, compile and game controller. All you have to do is just disable one of the controller. Example, the controller 1 doesn't work, so you need to disable the controller 1. So let's see, I've already disabled the first controller. Let's see if it's still working now, if it's working. Okay, still doesn't work. This is my secondary controller, by the way. If that doesn't work, you need to unplug your controller and then plug it back in. Okay, so let's see now. Okay, still doesn't work. Okay, no problem. Yeah, if that still doesn't work, there are two options, right? There are two options here, the top one and the bottom one. I disable the top one. If that still doesn't work, now try to disable the bottom one, which is the last one, this one. Okay, disable it. Okay, let's see now. Okay, I've disabled the second one right now. Still doesn't work. Remember, if it still doesn't work, make sure you unplug and replug the USB cable, the controller. Okay, unplug and replug it. Now let's see. There, as you guys can see, it's working now. My secondary joystick as my primary joystick now. So that's pretty simple actually. All you gotta do is just disable one of the controller. If the controller number 1 doesn't work, so you need to disable it, so the secondary joystick will become the first joystick, the primary joystick, you know. So actually there's another way how to do it, but it's a bit harder than this one because you need to set up the controller again. But in this video I'm not gonna show you that. In this video I'm just gonna show you how to do it the easiest way and the fastest way, which is just to disable one of the controller. And yeah, all you gotta do is just go to my computer and device manager. But make sure, if you want to play multiplayer with your friend, you need to enable the setting again so that the other controller would work as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think my video was helpful, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. As always, see ya.